damn, she got a whole fatty, dog. Damn, Gabby, thick than a bitch. Walk inside the spot and we wide than a bitch. Ain't no Cupid shuffle, but we dancing in this bitch. Niggas say they swaggin', but they swag do not exist. Baby in the water, but she not a fucking.
Oh, y'all, and it's your girl Gabby, and I'm back with a motherfucking miscellaneous ass video because where have you been? Where have I been? I don't know. I've been MIA missing in action, boo. I really had a lot going on. I'm finna get right into this video. What do you think this video is going to be about? Well, you already seen the title, so that's what it's gonna be about. Yes, I am installing my mom's wig. You probably didn't see me on Instagram. I'm just reinstalling it, washing it, get it touched up, all nice and fresh and clean. Process of washing the lace right now. That's why I actually decided to make a video. I was like, hey, this will be a nice little video. I want to show y'all, take y'all through the process, what I'm doing to this hair. It's gonna be so much, it's gonna be tea. And like I said, you probably done seen this hair on me, and I'm gonna insert a clip right here, everywhere. Boo. If you don't follow me on Instagram, what is you doing? You need to go ahead and follow me at Baby Dog Yeah and get into this video, boo. And if you can't hear me, then I'm sorry, I'm talking too low. I need to speak up. Already in the process of washing the hair with, you can wash it with any shampoo, it really doesn't matter, but I was just washing with this Canvas shampoo, and so far this shampoo been doing good. You know what I'm saying? It looks a lot better. It was really muddy, y'all. Like, it was real muddy. It's still a little mud on it. All that makeup right there, that's mud. That means it's muddy, ladies. If you don't know what muddy mean, baby, why does it look like that? The lace should not look like that. That means that you done put so much glue. Got to be glue, goat glue, bold hole glue, Isha glue, whatever glue. You know what the glue is. You glue you. As I put the shampoo on there and I seen that, hey, that wasn't getting the mud out. I put some alcohol on it because you're going to need your alcohol. I put alcohol all around the premium of the lace. Raggedy ass toothbrush. Look at the toothbrush. Hey, bitch. So I've been scrubbing it with this toothbrush. And I'm going to show you basically the rest of this process installed in my mom's. So let's get into this video, period. I'm trying to get as close as possible so you can see it, and this can be a really good video for you. I hope you don't mind the voiceover and a little speed up. So I'm just gonna show you guys. Okay, so I realized that the mud is on the outside of the lace now. I got all of it on the inside of the lace, as you can see. It's so much on the outside now. If it looks like it's on the inside, it's not. It's on the outside. See? Let me comb this hair back so you can really see.
DJ Taj.
It's a process. This is a process, y'all, really. This is why, like, if I start doing hair, I'll probably, I don't know, girl, you want to reinstall? You want me to wash it? That's going to be some money, you know what I'm saying? This is your precious. If you know a quicker way to do this, then you need to comment down below, baby, because I'm always up for some criticism, some new knowledge. Knowledge is power. Don't sleep on it. Cool. Period. Oh, we don't say period no more. We say purr. 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 Because when I see my show, I don't put my wheels on it. Purr. Y'all, when I say that, my dog's head goes purr. Purr.
It's what?
Said the Empire Boy Joker, I see you on this one, baby. At DJ Little Taj right now, it's gonna start to that Twitter.
Hold on. Who has a dunk? Who has a dunk? Who has a dunk? Who has a dunk?
rub it, dub it. Those curls. Look at the curls. 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 Curls for the girls. Curls for the girls. Curls. Now you see why I hand washed it, because it still keeps the texture. You do not want to over brush, or when you over brush, you'll pull a track. You'll never know. You'll rip a lace. You never know. So you don't want to over brush. I actually have another wig that I'm going to be detailing. If y'all want me to drop that down below, go ahead and comment for me, please.
I'm single, so damn me not.
Where we finally get into this install, which we all been waiting for. No, I didn't bleach the lace. We're going to tint it with some makeup. Handy dandy. My mom is a little bit darker than me, so this will definitely work for her. This is J Manual Beauty, bro. I love this foundation, bro. This is my go-to foundation. Actually, it's my only foundation that I use. It don't matter if you use this type of brush. It don't matter if you use this. Okay, it don't matter if you use this. But as long as you got this, that's all you need.
Put your hand on your waist. Move like a snake. Move like a snake. Move like a snake.
Girl, let me put your
Swipey, swiper no swipey. We ain't got no stocking cap, so we gotta move what we gotta do.
Wow, she got me.
DJ Taj.
I got my scan from. This is who I got it from.
Call me to your baby.
Cut my phone. I didn't cut your forehead. I'm a bleed. I didn't cut your forehead for real. It's the glue.
You running around. You in that car. You in the crib. You at work. You at school. Let's do it.
Beat it up like. Beat it up like. Beat it up like.
It's the heavy hitter. DJ Taj doing this one for the ladies.
Oh, let's go to the top of this, baby.
Beat it up.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. My sack of goodies.
Okay.
Gummy bears, cookies, Altoids for the baby. This is old school. You know nothing about that. I even got a peppermint patty.
Those are nasty.
They are good.
Anybody that like that is weird.
Really? So you're saying I'm weird?
No, it's only because you older, but I'm talking about somebody
Anyway.
that's in my generation.
They like peppermint patty. Really? Get yourself a peppermint patty, okay? A New Yorker.
And now, I'm just going in with some foundation, going on the edges before I lay the edges. Get that out the hair, it'll come out. And we're not gonna put that many baby hairs on her. She's a grown woman.
What you trying to say?
Baby hair days are over. Do my baby hairs. Doing baby hairs is really tricky. And especially since I gotta lean over like this to do this side. We're gonna have to turn, but we're gonna do this side first. So turn this way. All right. Oops, sorry. I just brush them. Like in
Finger wave style.
yeah, finger wave style. And just freestyle it. If it's too long, I'll just cut it. One thing I really did like about this wig though was the baby hair. Like I said, y'all, I'm not gonna be stingy. I'm gonna drop the link to this wig in the description box. It's only $80. Check it out. I'm not saying check their whole website out now. You'll never know what you're gonna get.
Amen.
Oh, let's get to that heat, baby. Let's get to that heat.
We on the long road to self-destruction.
Act these little Todd, right now you riding around. You in that car, you in the crib, you at work, you at school, let's do it.
Beat it up like beat it up like
First, let me get that.
Can you go that again?
beat it up like
I like it. It's pretty. Thank you, Gabby, for doing my hair. Please subscribe to Gabby Girl. That must look like somebody.
Now she look like somebody. This just leftover glue, y'all. To come off in a couple. This cute.
It is.
It's curved.
It is.
Get it sweet.